This year gold prices hit through the roof. It almost grew by more than 40%. And looking at the frenzy, lot of investors started to buying gold. Some went for safe asset like mutual funds and gold ETF. Some wanted to buy physical assets, but lot of new age investors started buying digital gold, which were offered by platforms like Paytm and many others. Now here there were a lot of hidden risks and hidden costs which a normal investor would not have understood. It came to light when actually people went to sell the gold to book the profits. They could see that they have not made profit, rather they have made loss. Now how did this happen? It happened very simply because digital golds are sold on platforms which have a lot of hidden charges, like some kind of upfront charges, some kind of processing fee, some kind of storage charges, and these actually negated the appreciation in price of gold. Last week SEBI came out with a warning to people not to invest into digital gold because one, they are not regulated. So whenever you buy digital gold, they say that they keep physical gold in a safe custody. That may or may not be true. Second, the cost is very high and exorbitant. You do not know the cost. Sometimes there's huge amount of upfront cost. So for example, for a 5,000 rupees digital gold, if you pay 200 rupees cost, that becomes too much. So you have to be aware when buying and dealing with such platform. It is safer to buy ETFs and gold mutual funds rather than falling prey to any other platforms. To know more such, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.